G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to check out a few wrecking yards in Colorado. Pick your part, pull your part. They call it all different things, but basically where you can go in and get your own bits, which is the best way to do a wrecking yard. And let's check it out. Okay, this wrecking yard in Colorado is a pull your part. There's an Aztec. I wouldn't mind one of those. They're kind of so ugly, they're kind of cool. I think there's a bit of a following for them now. And also, funnily enough, they're probably ahead of their time because the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross looks kind of like that anyway. So it's probably ahead of its time. And also, Walter White had one as well, didn't he, in Breaking Bad. Here's a Mercedes SL. Poor thing. I'm sure there's a lot of good parts off this. It's not rusty, good front fender, good door. Show what the interior looks like. No crack in the dash. I don't know if that's a dash cap or not. That could be a cap. But either way, it's no crack. The roof, the hard top roof. There's an air cleaner lid in it. Let's have a look inside. Even the seat's not worn. The legendary Mercedes-Benz MB-Tex. MB-Tex. I don't know, it's Tex. Very hard wearing. Door's still closed nicely. Bit of rust here, but maybe it's had a bit of a hit at some stage. Tail lights are good. Bumpers, not bad, except for the rubber bits, but yeah. If we're in Colorado and you've got one of these, a couple of nice wheels. This has been painted, I can see, and the door's toast. But again, hard top looks good. Mirrors, quite a few good bits on this. It's got a Mercury Grand Marquis. Smoker's car. A lot of good parts in there. Seats are quite nice. Door trims. Back seat. Yeah, even the headlinings's good. Wood grain. Some good bits on that one. Cadillac Sedan DeVille, nice wheels on it. Got the North Star 32 valves, probably why it's here. Quite like this model. It's a good looking car. Nice door trims, proper wood, switches. Yeah, some decent parts in there. I really like the taillights on these. I think they look terrific. That's kind of what Cadillac should be using on all of its cars as a signature design cue. Take note, Cadillac. Got this cargo net. Could come in handy. Might be good for it's out of this Cadillac. Might be good for my WH Caprice, because I think it's missing its net. Even if it doesn't fit in terms of I've got the attachment points as well, the screw ends, but even if they don't fit, this will still work. Chevy Volt. It's no good. A lot of the cars in here are a lot newer. That many old cars. I haven't even seen a Crown Vic, although I've seen two Mercury Grand Marquis. Okay, this Charger may have a couple of bits I want for my police car. I've got the K9 unit. Taillights aren't bad. Have a tendency to crack at the top. I'll have a look inside. Okay, so I've got a couple of little chrome registers off that Charger. Taillights aren't bad actually. Could possibly get those. Here's a Crown Vic, speak of the devil. It's got the police interceptor badge on, which mine doesn't have. It's not in great condition, but maybe I'll try and get that off. Police rear seat. I don't think there's anything else I really need. I've got the proper light and everything. Okay, let's have a bit of a look in this car. Okay, I got the police light from the Crown Vic. And I took this whole panel off because mine's cracked here. So I just removed the whole thing. This came off, so I'll glue it back on, but I'll take the best parts. These look pretty good, but I'll use the best bits from my car and this. I could have taken the whole boot lid, actually. Wouldn't have been a bad idea. Smashed Cadillac. It's a good hit. It's like an SRX or something. And then there's a Lincoln here as well, which is might be more a mechanical issue. Nice interior. I wear in the seats, but I like the chrome and the wood. It's very nice. Buick. This badge. 3.8. Was this a Century or something, maybe? Let's have a look. The Sabre. Seats aren't too bad. There's the thumbnail. Old Plymouth Minivan. How cool is that? The wood grain. Wow. Got a busted window, but that's super cool. Probably an old person's car, I guess. Voyager, I just bought a little M2 miniature of one of these, I think, today. It's probably one of the oldest cars in here. Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Kind of cool. You know, 4-wheel drive, twin turbo, 6 cylinders. Decent door trims. Console. It's only an auto though. Even a pair of red beads. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Mustang. Not a real fan of those. I sold those in Australia and I don't think they look that good. The Bullet one was okay, but we didn't get that. Nothing else down there, just SUVs, which I've got zero interest in. Isuzu Trooper.
You're a real trooper.
Another Crown Vic. Check this one out. Lincoln Town Car, seen better days. Nice mirror. Seats are no good. Yeah, it's pretty ratty. Car's not good. It's a Saturn Coupe. Not a bad looking little car, actually. Pretty ratty inside, but probably the odd part. It's my stash just sitting there. And I saw this wood grain Cherokee. It's kind of cool. Limited. Fine American Firearms. So that leather kind of cord interior. Yeah. Frame door handles. It's like what I was saying the other day about my Grand Wagoneer, or my Wagoneer, to make a Grand Wagoneer. Crown Vic ex-cop car in the car park next to the Grand Marquis. That's pretty cool. Hope he wasn't going to get the rear garnish. Okay, that was really good. So, got the rear garnish for the Crown Vic, also the police light. Mine's fine, but just there's a spare if it breaks. Guy gave me a free bottle of water. $25 the lot. Good deal. Plus a net, cargo net, which I'll use on the WH Caprice. So, yeah. I want to check out a couple more now. It's like going to Harvey's Wreckers, only American style, and because we've got a lot of American cars. When am I going to find parts for a Crown Vic in Australia? You just won't. And then if you did, the prices would be high. So a lot of these places are, working people who are just trying to keep their cars on the road. But then you do get the odd older car. Obviously, that police car was a wrecked car. Had some bio thing on the one side, so it's probably looked like it'd been in a bad accident. And cop cars get smashed all the time. But then it's just older cars like deceased estates and things like that. But the vast majority of vehicles in there are like pickup trucks, SUVs, that sort of stuff. So not really of much interest. I was really glad to get the little chrome registered for my charger. So they're exactly the right type. I was going to get the ones out the center vents, but they that wasn't there, so I've taken the whole piece. So anyway, I'm going to check out a few more. Might go and grab some lunch first, and then go and check out at least 2 more. Cool. Having a lot of fun. Nice warm weather too. 78 degrees at the moment. Fahrenheit, that is.
State Highway 70 East, then take the freeway.
Nice Challenger. There's Denver, Colorado there. No need for me to go in the city though. I'm going to the wrecking yard. Okay, after grabbing some lunch at Starbucks. I think the food's pretty good there and reasonably healthy and pretty good value. I'm in Aurora now, and I'm going to go to the pull you apart or pick you apart, whatever it's called, here and see what cars are. I didn't even think about the Crown Vic when I came into the first one, so I was thinking more of my little Skylark. Still want to get like a license plate holder and an interior light for it. But then I saw the Crown Vic and I thought, actually, I need that rear garnish, so that worked out really well. Anyway, let's see what we can find. The ground is literally oil, well soaked. Okay, let's see what we can find. Here's an Aurora, 99 Aurora. It's kind of nice. I needed one of those, but I bought it. Why they crack? I don't think I need anything for my car. Pretty sure. Pontiac Grand Prix GT. It's a college town, so a lot of imports here. Buick. It's been painted white on the outside. It's a red car. Or Sabre. Okay, that was a bit of a bust. The only thing I got there were some little chrome registers for the vents in the centre for my Dodge Charger, K9 police car. And they actually are the same size as the outer registers, so the other ones would have fit. But now I've got 4, so I've got some spares. Sometimes they fall out, so... and there's not too many other wrecking yards, so I'm going to probably head back to the hotel. But yeah, I'm really pleased with what I got today. And as I move through the different states, I'll, no doubt find some more stuff. Just parked next to a STS like David's got at Walmart. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode on a few of the pick-aparts in Colorado that I checked out. It's always good to have a bit of a look around, and you never know what you find. So if you did enjoy the episode, please give it a thumbs up. It doesn't cost a cent. Hit the hype button as well. It just means more enthusiasts like yourself get to see the episodes. And above all, please subscribe with that bell notification. That just means that when new episodes are released, you're notified. So thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.